Thank you for contacting Windows Plus. We know making changes to your home is a big decision, and we want you to feel confident every step of the way. Here's exactly what to expect when you work with us.
When you call, you'll talk to someone right here in our community, never an outsourced call center. We'll set up a time that works for you to complete a healthy home inspection, usually the same day or the very next day. One of our product specialists, a background-checked W-2 employee, will visit your home. We don't just look at one problem. We provide a full home inspection and leave you with a detailed priority list so you can make the best decisions for your home now and in the future. You'll get a guaranteed down-to-the-penny price, good for a full year, no pressure, just the information you need to make a well-informed decision. If you choose to move forward, our measure technician will record everything down to 32nd of an inch. Your project is then custom built just for your home using the highest quality products available. Our W-2 installers, never subcontractors, arrive on time, protect your home, and complete most projects in just one day. Every project comes with a true lifetime warranty on product, labor, and workmanship, even transferable to the next homeowner. That means when you work with us, it should be the last time you'll ever need to replace your windows, bath, or siding.
At Windows Plus, you're not just a customer, you're our neighbor. And from the first call to the final walkthrough, you'll know exactly what to expect, and we can't wait to bring your project to life.